Oh, it's so funny. It looked good. It looked so good. Damn it. I know you have to like get every piece of mulch out of his backyard. Oh, I got a strap hanging up there just blowing in the wind. Yeah. Yeah, well, I'm gonna take this piece. I'm gonna like sit on that and finish it. I don't know, but I'm gonna do a wide knob. Oh. That's it. That sucks. So I'm gonna cut it and push it out away from me, but it's kind of gonna go over the house and swing back, you know, because it's the way it's leaning. Oh shit! All right. Yeah, no, I'm fine. That was nice. That was good. Yep, I'm gonna do a couple more just like that. I might bring the other ones in the middle, I don't know, depending on what way they're leaning. Hey, Andrew, can you grab me a tea out of the floorboard of my truck? I got it. I'm thirsty. I'll buy lunch today. Since, I don't know, since I'm foreman. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna take off. Jeff, can you do this? Please. If you could throw it, that'd be a way better video, but I know you don't like doing it. What? I know. I don't know. Is there a diaper over there? Andrew's down there wearing $70 pants. I'm gonna take a 5, man. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Did I hit the window? You put my bar, that's why it's running like shit. You put my bar on upside down. God, I knew something was wrong.
Trevor, the funny thing is I told him to change it too.
Is it really? It doesn't matter. You know that, you goofy. All right, I hope you know that. Oh. Yeah, you gotta flip it. I never really notice. That's so very true. Null and void, sir. That's funny. Rope up. Ready. Blah, blah. Read my mind. I know. Yeah, I'm thinking the next one after this, you know what? Just hook it up to the Mini, and I'll take a huge piece. Look at that. We don't need this. That's fine, right? It's not going to separate. I'm going to come down, hook it up to the Mini. We're going to take a big piece. I know. I have the Tough Talk in there that connects to that helmet. The battery's not charged though. Alright, now I'm going to do a notch on this side. Ideally, what'd you say? Stand it up before I separate it? Yeah. What do you think about my line? I think it's okay. Put some tension on it. All right. I know, me too. I don't think it will either because it's all going that way, but I could put it on and I'm like that. I guess, yeah, that's it, right? But now I got like nowhere to do my back cut. I gotta come out further. So I've never done anything like this, Jeff. With that one, yeah, I did with that palm tree. Of a dead oak that we didn't take out. You don't? All right, hold it, okay? How's that rigging point look? I don't know if we're separated all the way. Hang on a second, I'll pull it around this side of the tree. Yeah, come down some. Come down. Oh, hold it. Ha. We're doing that again, but bigger. That was awesome. Yeah, quickly, less cuts. I'm really digging that right now. Is it? What do you got, 3 wraps on it? Yeah. Oh shit. That was sweet. So I should probably tie it higher, huh? Highest point. Tomorrow. Right here. What is he doing? Clearing it. Yeah. Andrew, give me that rope. Andrew, there's a T in the truck if you want it, okay? You asshole. I'm like, just give me the rope. I was wondering, I was like, what is he doing? Is there a stub? What the? Son of a... Yeah. Me and Andrew worked together nonstop for a while. Yeah, me too. A good crew and equipment, you know, like, yeah. So I guess like I'm gonna tie this marrow up here, or a half hitch, whatever people call it. But I'm gonna do the rope coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna do the rope coming up from the top of the trunk on the back side. Yeah, right? Let's give it a little more leverage. I'm talking out loud and shit a lot for the camera. People like when I explain things. Oh man, this is gonna be... Yeah. Yeah. Do they flip for it and shit? Yep, same thing. I'm gonna come down real low. What do you say? Yeah. Yep. Really? Harbor Bay? Alright, attention. Alright, hold it there. It's not going to stay on wrapped around the top like that. I'm not sure why I faced it that way. Hold it. Let me finish it off. I'll roll it over. Nah, just hold it there. It's all you, buddy. It's on a stub up there. It might jump for a little bit. I like it. I like that a lot.
Well, it's fine. I'm getting into that. I'm just putting it in on the bottom.
Oh yeah? What, a dispensary or something? That's dope. Andrew, there's a pair of sunglasses in my truck. You can wear them if you wish.
What?
There's a pair of sunglasses in my truck somewhere. You're more than welcome.
Remember the conversation about me and Jeff?
Oh yeah, you had.
This morning?
I do. I do.
Oh, hey, bless that. I remember it. Maybe I remember that.
Whatever. Really? I split. I'm under my sister's policy. I pay $100 a month. You listen to music? Fuck. Man, I just rocketed up this spar and I didn't get it on camera. That annoys me. Whatever. Trying to get most of this footage for you guys. Yeah. Yeah, I need the rigging line. Man, I wanted to take this top right there pointing at your Mini on that log pile, but I don't think it's a good idea with that truck there. Yes. Good call. I guess we'll just rig this top out then, like we've been doing it. Got it. Yep. Was that his call? Nice, Tom, good job. Why is there so much friction? I'm done, dude. I know. Here, just put the saw right here on this rigging line. Please, is it filled? Fill it up. Alright, sweet. Man, he's on it. Seriously, he's looking for a job. He's looking for a job. Okay. He's not always punctual. Is it on? Oh, go ahead. Sorry, buddy. I wasn't even messing with you on purpose. Damn, I wish that truck wasn't here. Thank you. My Sawzall? I got my DeWalt. Send up the DeWalt. We're going green with this removal. Yeah. I hate it when the rope piles up on it like that. Yeah, I want to get one of those too. I've been looking at them for trim jobs, honestly. Because like it would. Really? That doesn't. Man, I got strong arms, so. Jeff on the ground says he hates pulling his saw start all the time. Go buy a battery saw then, softy. Right. So, man, this top is like 30 feet long. I know, I'm thinking I'm gonna go up like 20 feet and then take a big piece and then we'll rig below the, because if not, it's gonna drop like 20 feet. Yeah, exactly. We were right on the number. Right on the same thing there. I know. Sorry. I didn't know that was part of it. What, bring? Yeah. Then they expect it. I know. He's lucky he brought that. Well, I guess you are. Yeah, Andrew is. That would have sucked if you got out here without your mini, dude. Fuck that. Oh, this is the side with the bad spot in it. It's okay, it'll work. I'm not picky. I should set up another rigging point. All right, guys, headache. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry. It's not perpendicular there, Mr. Anal Retentive. All right, go ahead, pull tight. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't feel like making all those cuts coming up. So. I know. That's good. This is going to be a huge drop. All right. Open faces so it hangs on a little longer. Come on. Nice. That was clean, dude. That was so clean. That's how it's done. For all the people watching out there, that's how you take a big piece, way negative rig. My rigging point's 5 feet below my cut. So negative, like really negative. But all we want to do is hit it. Or that might just be my... He said, I'm gonna have it fucking moved. Like, that's what I said, good luck. Yep. Yeah, I kind of left those limbs on there to slow it down too. But yeah. Where is he? Is he clear? A hold. All right. Hey, headache. Yeah, I just broke him. Yeah, it's right. I'm gonna do it. Cut it right here, probably. Maybe even beneath my feet. I'll take this one off first. Oh, I could actually just drop the whole thing in the yard now. Let's do that. Let's do that instead. All right, if you want to grab that little pile too, it's up to you. Where is he? All right. Stay there, Andrew. You're fired, Andrew. Tell him he's fired and walk home. Treasure Island. Go where the treasure is, Andrew. No. All right, headache. What, from the truck off? I'm fine. The truck's fine. I don't think they'd be able to tell if we hit it anyway. No. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. You got the fence back up. You're clear. Did you call me a hot guy? Hot guy. Thanks, man. It sounds really the same, man. Whatever, you know, it is what it is. I know I'm attractive. At least to somebody. At least Jeff first. I got that guy. You want to flop this from the ground? I'll push it. I could. Oh, you got this 660, so yeah, cool. So I can move. Sorry, it's shifty. Come on. Oh, wait. He was. Nice. Good job. What? He's gonna. I'm playing on it. Yeah. Jeff just chimed in and said we could take that top where I'm at, so it's always nice to have a guy that could chime in and tell me what he thinks is good from the ground. I'm gonna take this little back limb off and then I think we'll be fine. It's hard to say. Yeah. Well, it's because I know you weren't worried about it. You're not up here. But you think I should, I don't know what way, it looks like it's leaning my way, but I'm leaning on the whole trunk, so I don't know which way it's growing. Stay right there, Jeff. Oh, did I get you? I heard it in your helmet. Sorry. Are you okay? All right. Good. Thinking I'll be fine just going that way towards the truck. No, I'm going towards the house. Gotta turn around, go towards the house. It's gonna be way safer for me. Yeah, it's gonna have to. It's leaning towards the house, and I don't think I'll be able to push it. Maybe I can, but I don't want to risk it. There's not a lot of wood to work with as far as holding. So I'll just do it the safe way. Oh. Yo. I don't know. It might have been me hitting my helmet thing. My button. I'm ready. Yeah. There's gonna be friction because we're coming on this side of the tree now. Yeah, sorry, but. Really? He calls it red oak? Still got all that stuff to do down there. Just get one, please. You're just more versed. We have, yeah, what you're well versed in a rope running technique. My rigger. You're get off the phone, Andrew. God. Did he say what? What do we got here? Yeah, give me some slack. There we go. You're good. Yeah, I got to do a face cut still. Hey, there's my yellow strap. It's been hanging there for like 2 hours. No, it's like 20 feet. It's big enough, man. Get one wrap, we got a lot of friction. Okay. Yep, that's it. So Jeff's got to try to let it run. Since I'm pushing it, all the weight's towards the city there, pushing it this way, and I didn't get my rope around there, so there's going to be a lot of friction up top here, but he's got to let it run. Enough so it doesn't do anything crazy, I guess. My way. Ready? Yep. Yeah. Should have took it that way, man. You know why? It's because this thing is so skinny and I'm pulling all the weight my way with my body weight. So yeah. Yeah. Wow. That would be awesome. I don't know. Crazy recovery. Yeah, me too. I'm fighting something. Please come back to me. I guess that was the best thing for me to do. I was either gonna do that or try to slack it a lot, but that was it, you know? I think so. Whew. All right, man. That's the worst thing that happens today. I'm happy. It wasn't even bad. Stay calm. Didn't freak out. I think that's important. Ooh. All right. Yeah, the rest of this. And then logs. I don't know, I kind of might want to lean over and do that while I'm on this spar. Yeah, I could just do them both at the same time. I should put my rope around the other side, huh? For now. Probably. All right. What are we gonna do for lunch? Yeah. No, I need the other end of this rig line again. Yeah. Hold on, wait, no. I want to get, I don't want to have to lean back over there and get it. I'm so glad I got that on film, that cut. Nothing like that's ever happened to me before that I haven't been able to push the other way, but I was not going to get that back. Thank God, oh my gosh. My arms are burning so bad. Headache, small stuff. You're clear, I think. little stub coming down, you're clear. Well, you yelled at me earlier, so I did it. I didn't even knock it out. Me either. Damn, this thing moves a lot. Right? Cool. Well, I'll finish this up. Yeah, this tree up that I'm on now. And then we'll take a lunch, we'll go somewhere, something, I don't even care. Yeah. Yeah. All right, I'm ready on the rope. I need to sharpen my spikes or something. Flat file. Yeah, that'd be nice. Flat file takes a while. Yeah, I should do that for sure. We should do that. Have you ever sharpened yours? I feel like people do it once a week and they just don't say anything to anybody. Right here. I know. Great job. Another spectacular top. They're like super light and just wispy and they're soft. You know, they don't even sound big. Like just the way they hit stuff, I don't know. Yeah, I guess they are kinda, right? I don't know, it's hard to tell for me. Yeah. True. Rigging really big and then coming home early. That's how I bent the Porter wrap. No, I'm not really sure, to be honest with you, how it got bent. Flip me that rigging line on the other side. Oh, he's getting it. Yeah, the spike. Yeah, and that one thing came off too. Yeah, that cap came off. That was kind of, you know. Anytime I do like a job that we're not removing the tree, it makes the tree look like crap. Oh God, are you messing with me? Thanks. Yeah, that is nice. It's right up there. You can still get it right in close to the trunk. The Porter wrap. Yeah, something I've seen people like put a pad and shit against the trunk, which is whatever. Yeah. So one picture, maybe You ready? Just this lock, yeah. Get a wrap. Probably. Sorry, I don't mean to hurry you. Hopefully this one won't come back on me. Huh. Good job, man. We're gonna tip tie this next two, pull them into that trunk again. How's that sound? That sounds way better than swinging that size pieces. Right. And then hey, rope.